Today, we will continue to learn how to trade ongoing rallies with the best momentum scalping strategy with the best trading view indicator as usual. We will also talk about avoiding the stop loss with the top-down analysis. If you are good to go, let's do this. Okay, let's talk about the Alpha coin. This coin was the very obvious choice today. I'm sure that everyone saw the very clear setup here. First of all, Alpha was the #1 top gainer coin today with a gigantic 30% gain in one single day. It is time to do a full top-down analysis from the weekly until the minute-based timeframes. In the weekly chart, there are things that we have to talk about first. I want you to focus on this failed imbalance here. If you remember the masterclass lessons, the purpose of an imbalance is actually pushing the price into trend direction until it makes a new break. This imbalance was never able to push the price into trend direction. There was an unending bull-bear fight here for weeks, basically a very long accumulation of orders. And above, we had this great imbalance as a target. Today, we noticed that buyers were rallying this coin towards this weekly imbalance. In the daily chart, we can notice the 100% same thing with the weekly. An inner failing imbalance. Buyers took the control and switched the price and rallied the coin today. All this gives me a great ideas about the buyer interest on this coin. Moreover, we had this very long-term downtrend liquidity gathering. Now, time to check the momentum. Now, we know that buyers are in control of this coin and it was rallying 20-30% today. So how can we join this ongoing rally? The answer is the momentum layout from the masterclass. The early rally started right here, if you can notice. A little tap to the three imbalances ignited the very early rally. I'm sure everyone missed this move. It happened very early. However, the same thing happened right here at this point. Three imbalances, basically a supercharged point. So you can notice the repetitive pattern here. This was our obvious second entry area until we rallied towards the weekly imbalance. Now, this is not the most amazing trading plan in the world, but it is a very solid strategy to play with. And it is extremely easy to identify once you get used to it. Okay, on the right, you can notice the 5-minute time frame. You can see the 5-minute version of the momentum imbalance entry zone. What we are going to do is observe this area in close action and talk further about possible entries. The first thing you can notice is the super support and resistance flip area. Now I want you to pause this video and quickly check out my last 50 videos on YouTube. You will see something incredible. It is almost 100% identical all the time. What you see here happened at least 50 times in the last 2-3 months. The rest is a very classic and simple price action entry. Market structure breaks with a nice imbalance, price pullbacks, and we take the entry. This is not a crazy profitable setup here, but at least it had a solid 1.5 R. It was clean and straightforward. So, what we had here today is a perfect example of the masterclass 3 layout system. 1. A great bias. 2. A great momentum. 3. A great entry. As you can see, when everything aligns, trading becomes much easier. Okay friends, this is it for the day and I wish the best luck for all of you in the new week. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.